Hi, this is Elizabeth with Southern Embellishment. Thank you for stopping by today. Hope you're having a great day. Here in Florida, the sun is shining. The pool is looking very nice. Not quite warm enough yet, although my grandkids have been in it, but not me. I wait till it's hot in the summer because, yeah, I'm a wimp. I wanted to share something with you real quick. I'm not going to take up much of your time, but if you have a Michael's close to you, it's worth checking this out. I was in Michael's the other day, and I went down the Martha Stewart doily aisle and all that, and because I always just like to look for unique doilies and different things. Anyway, so I saw these, and I was thinking they were the paper doilies, but the color is like an oatmeal color. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's like an oatmeal color, and so I thought, wow, that's awesome. I wouldn't even have to tea dye them. I could just maybe ink around the edges or use them like they are. They're just a gorgeous, creamy, oatmeal-y color. And so I was real excited that I got them. They were on clearance for like $1.97 for the pack. And they were normally $3.99 or $4.99. And so, you know how we are. You can't say that we are not on the verge of being hoarders, ladies. Come on, if you do junk journals, you've got stash. So I bought all 5 packs that were on the rack. And I'm glad I did, because when I got them home and I opened up this pack, it is actually like it's a material. It's like a little heavier than a muslin, or they've put stiffener on it, one or the other. But it looks kind of like a canvas, real lightweight canvas muslin type doily. It's material. And I was so thrilled with that. And so I wanted to share that with you so you can run out to your Michael's, and hopefully somebody hasn't got there ahead of you like me and took all of them that were on the rack. Hopefully they saved some for you. They're gorgeous. So it's like a no-brainer. Go get you some because they are awesome. Have a great day.